Hey everyone, so today we're taking a look at three of the top small electric fireplaces, MagikFlame, Dimplex, and ModernFlames, and helping you figure out which one actually creates that sense of real living fire in your space. Because even though they'll all give you flame effects, the way they do it is completely different, and that can make the difference between something that feels immersive and something that just kinda looks okay. And now these aren't budget models, so if you're here, you're probably thinking about upgrading a space that matters, a living room, bedroom, even a home office. So in this video, I'll walk you through how each one works, how they compare, and which one's actually worth your time and money. So if you're looking for a fireplace that actually feels like fire, MagikFlame, it's in a total league of its own. Like, it's the only one using high definition video of real flames projected onto a physical log set inside the firebox. So instead of light bouncing off of screen or fake logs lit from behind, what you're seeing is actual footage of fire, with all the smoke, rising embers, and flame movement that you'd expect. It never loops or repeats. They call it hollow flame technology, and it was actually built for theme park installations, where obviously, the illusion has to hold up even under close inspection. And that's exactly what you get here, especially at night. The depth and motion just look so natural. It catches your eye in the way a real fire does, always changing, always alive. You also get a full sound system built in with real crackling and popping audio that syncs to the flame movement. See, that's where it all clicks. When the lights are low and the sound's filling the room, this one doesn't just look real, it feels real. Now, I do want to say this is a more premium option. The 28-inch insert costs just under $3,500 or $38 if you want to package it with one of their mantles. But in terms of realism and immersion, nothing else really comes close. Now, the heater itself is a 5200 BTU infrared quartz unit. It's more than capable of warming a space up to 1,000 square feet. And you can control everything using an app on your phone or use the built-in thermostat dial. Either way, it's way more precise than just remote-only setups. They got 30 different flame modes to choose from, plus an ambient-only mode that turns the fireplace into a virtual fish tank when you don't need the heat. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, but you can extend that up to 3 years if you want. And by the way, if you want to check out their options, you can use the affiliate link down in the description or in the comments below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but we might earn a small commission, which really does help support the channel. And sometimes there are discounts through that link that you won't find on their main site. Okay, next up is Dimplex, and they don't go for realism the same way MagikFlame does, but that's not really the point here. It's all about flexibility. You got different flame systems depending on how you want the room to feel and how much effort you want to put in setting it up. The coolest option is called Optimist, and instead of using lights or reflections, it creates the flame with water vapor. The mist rises through the logs and gets lit from underneath, so what you see is real movement in 3 dimensions. It's subtle and it looks better from some angles than others, but in a quieter room with softer lighting, it really does work. Now, you will need to refill the water tank to keep the effect up and scrub it down every so often, but if you want something that feels a little different, something with presence, it's a decent option. Then there's Revolution, which is more like a standard electric fireplace look. You get a full log set, brick background, and a light-based flame effect layered in front. It's easy to install, looks clean in the room, but the flame itself, it just doesn't pull you in. It's not the kind of thing you stop and stare at. In brighter rooms, it tends to wash out pretty quickly. Now, that's not a deal breaker for everyone. If you're just trying to finish a space or give the room a visual anchor, that more subtle look might be actually what you want. Their 23-inch multi-fire XHD insert sells for around $805, and the larger 30-inch Revolution firebox is closer to $2,100. Optimist models can get a lot pricier depending on the configuration. Some of the larger units go north of $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 even. So that's something to be aware of if you're drawn to that style. The controls are basic, remote only, with stepped heating levels like high, medium, and low. So no app, no thermostat dial, just simple and direct. Now, ModernFlames is a little bit different. See, this one is built for rooms where the fireplace isn't the centerpiece, but it still has to feel like it belongs. Flame system, they call it HelioVision, and it's really clean. There's no depth tricks or layering here. It's a smooth, even flame that looks the same really no matter where you're sitting. The motion is steady, the colors are even, and nothing feels overdone. Now, again, this one does not try to look real, but it does look just right. Especially in more design-heavy spaces where you don't want the fireplace pulling the focus. What makes it stand out though is how much control you get. You can change the flame style, the ember bed color, even the lighting underneath, all through their app. really set the mood from your phone. And if you're working around a specific palette or layout, it gives you more control than anything else here. The best option is the 26-inch Orion Traditional. Usually lists anywhere from 1900 to 2200, and the ceramic heater puts out 5000 BTUs, which is solid for smaller rooms. There's ambient crackling built in if you want a little background sound while it runs. So if you're looking for something that actually fits your space, and you want the fireplace to feel like part of it, not something you have to design around, that is where Modern Flames fits in. But depending on what matters to you, each of these kind of just takes a different angle. Dimplex leans into variety. You got the water vapor flame, which looks great in the right setting, and the more traditional reflection style models if you just want something simple and easy to use. It's less immersive overall, but still solid, especially if you want something that's lower maintenance or more budget friendly. Modern Flames is less about realism, more about giving you control over how the fireplace looks in the room. It's clean, it's easy to adjust, and it's probably the best choice here if you care more about how it fits with the rest of the design than how closely it mimics real fire. But if you're looking for one that really sells the experience, something that truly feels like fire, MagikFlame is still the best I've used. It's the only one on here that uses actual video of real fire, not animated flames, not lighting tricks, so the motion feels natural, the embers drift at different speeds, and the smoke and sound tie everything together in a way that just feels more believable. Everything about it just is thought through. And once it's on, it doesn't just light up a room, it changes how the whole space feels. And if that sounds like something you'd be into, you'll find a link to it down in the description. We usually have some special offers or exclusive deals there that you won't see if you go through their main site, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. Also, if you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. And if you found this one helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this kind of content. If you got any questions, definitely drop those down in the comments. I always try to answer as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.